Hello, my wonderful viewers. Hope you all are safe and sound. Welcome back to Today Academy, where you always get wonderful tips and tricks for your enhancement of your skill. I am here to always bring brand new tutorials, tips and tricks, video editing, and many things. I am very thankful that you people like my tutorials, and that really appreciation for me. So today I am very excited to be here in front of you again with brand new tutorials that especially incredible for your journey. How to trace an image. You know there might be you face many times this problem because and many times we don't need image file. We need vector file or a specific purpose or something. We need vector file to scale and don't need background or etc. So today simply go to the image, open the image on Illustrator, and after opening the image, this is very simple. There is an option image trace. Click on that and there are many options that you can select for better tracing. But I am using that simple free colors and I apply this, the image will be converted into vector because that definitely automatically converts the image and trace it and make it a vector. You can check the image is traced and now it is a vector file. We can scale it and check it. You can check this. This is a vector file now. What do you know? I want to each and everything make them separate to make them expand. Simply click on expand option and this will be expand. You can treat them separately now. Come check this. Now watch this carefully. Actually we don't need the background. Now what to do that you think about this? Go to object option, click on ungroup, that the file will be ungrouped. We don't need to remove the background one by one. Simply we have a very nice tool, magic wand. We use magic wand. What it does? Actually it's like the same color. And let me drag the file alongside and use the magic wand tool. Select the magic wand tool, click on the background and simply press the backspace. The background will be removed. Finally, our vector file is ready. Now we make it more attractive by coloring, and you can color as per your need. Our vector file is ready, and now we just color it to make it more attractive. And I want to color, copy and cuff, merge them, color. It is my humble request. Please subscribe to Today Academy and thumbs up and click on bell icons. Don't miss your future tutorials, and I really thank you very much about spending your valuable time with me. I truly hope this tutorial was inspires you to keep creating, especially if you support me, if you subscribe my channel, and I will inspire to make a better content, better tutorial for you that will be creative for your journey. Wow, and now it is very attractive, and let me drag it and you can check it's transparent and fully vector file, and you can scale it and use it where you want. And thank you very much. Allah bless you.